We want to promote our students' talents. We know they are gifted and we want to showcase what they can do and the position where they had to show that they can do more.
Science. The joint that allows rotating movement is called it
Ball and socket joint.
The score is Whitehall Primer 5 points, Seaforth Primer 21 points.
What about soap? Yes, bingo!
I did reading competition, I did games, and a whole lot of stuff. I even can't remember what I did.
They were very interesting, fun, and energetic. And it was also interesting for all students to play.
Each week we will put out a word for the entire week and each teacher will teach that word during the week, and we have that word pasted all over the school grounds so that the children can see it anywhere in the schoolyard. We also have the letter of the week, one letter of the alphabet. So we use that letter throughout the week to get words, as many words with that letter. We have a reading competition, we have a writing competition.
Reading is very important because it can let you go in a lot of things miss. Like you can do your GSAT miss and you move on to another school. It's very fun by meeting new friends and enjoying with my teachers.